Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Rebel with William O'Neill India. So before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related document carefully before investing. So yesterday, U.S. market has been traded record highs, and there has been a slightly profit booking from the higher level, and they have closed on the flattish note. And Nasdaq is down about 0.3%, and European market is also closed on the flattish note. And yesterday, U.S. market has been reported inflation data, so taking cues from there, Asian market has been trading in the slightly on the negative side. So trading nearly almost Hang Seng is trading nearly 1% down, and China market is down around 0.5%. And GIFT Nifty is currently trading at a flattish note near its 23,600 kind of level. So the key news here is CPI data, where CPI data which came in line with the estimation. It's almost 0.3% estimated that there was a CPI data, core CPI data, 0.3% for the third straight session. And CPI data which came at 2.6 versus 2.4 compared to last previous data. And so there is going to be a rate cut depending upon the inflation data. So there could be one more rate cut in the coming days. So because of that reason, the Asian market has been slipped slightly lower. And crude data is steady after OPEC cuts demand growth forecast and currently trading at $72 per barrel. And coming to the domestic market, Varun Beverages has reported QIP have been launched and for the worth of 5,500 crore, and they are going to be additional upsize of 2,000 crore in today's session. And Cipla, US FDA issues 483 form 483 with 8 observations for Bangalore-based manufacturing unit. And Tata Power commissions a 126 megawatt floating solar project in Omkareshwar, Madhya Pradesh. And the key earnings yesterday post-market was Vodafone Idea. Vodafone Idea continues to report loss, and quarter over quarter there was a 7,200 crore of loss compared to 6,000, and revenues up around 4%. It's a weak numbers from Vodafone Idea. And GRSC, they have reported a very good number, 21% profit growth and 28% revenue growth. And RCF, they have also posted decent numbers. Net profit is growth around 55% and revenues up around 3%. And GNFC, negative numbers. Net profit is down around 42% and revenue is also down around 8%. HEG, weak numbers, net profit down around 14% and revenues down around 8%. Apollo Tires, they have also reported negative numbers where net profit is down around 37% and net profit is down around 37%. And earnings due, which is Bharat Dynamics Limited, Honasa Consumer, Hero MotoCorp, Isma Trip, HAL, Nazara, Tega, and Avanti Feed. They are the main companies. They are going to report its earnings in today's session. And coming to derivative data, Nifty's PCR is currently at 0.55 because of overall from last 5 trading session, Nifty has been closing on the negative note. And because of that, currently max collar is placed around 24,000 and followed by 24,500. And max put is placed around 23,000 followed by 22,250. So coming to the Nifty's chart. So Nifty's, if you see Nifty's daily chart, and after the inverted head and shoulder pattern breakdown, so Nifty is continuously making a lower high, lower low price structure, on the daily chart. And last time it was trading around this last week, especially it was trading around previous swing low, that is on August 24 low. It was taken as support, and there was a couple of bounce, and also fueled by US Trump's majority win in the US market. So that is also a reason where Nifty is slightly pulled back from that lower level. But however, from last 5 days, it's Nifty is continuously making lower lows price structure, and broke that 24,800 kind of support for the Nifty, and currently trading at 200 DMA, exactly at 200 DMA. So this could the right now, what next is 200 DMA is likely to act as support. Yeah, if not, if even 200 DMA is broken out, then we might see head and shoulder target of 23,300 as a next level leg of support for Nifty 50. And even 23,300 if broken out, then we might see 23,000 in the coming session. On the upside, there is no any sign of showing any kind of reversal. But unless or until it's holding this 200 DMA and 23,300, we might see sideways to consolidate in this particular range itself, in the range of 24,000 to 23,000 kind of level in the coming days. And I think we have covered the majority of the sector index. And I would like to invite you all for today's evening session with Pawan and me and Rahi. So I will invite you all for today's evening session. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you, everyone.